My name is Óscar, and I'm in charge of this business called El Cine de Gro, near the Postal Congress Palace and Zurriola Beach. We've recently reopened. It used to be a cocktail bar in the center of San Sebastian, and we've now moved the name to the Gro neighborhood. We serve a clientele aged between 35 and 50 years old, more or less, at Casual Food, where we provide food and drink. I'm standing next to the machine, the QualityFry fryer. Honestly, this is quite an invention. This place doesn't have a smoke outlet, which significantly influences our gastronomic offerings. So we have to resort to a series of products or machines that help us to draft a menu, a gastronomic offering that is attractive and competitive. It's a machine where you can prepare a ton of things other than the traditional ones. In this machine, we cook octopus, entrecote, and cod. We input a range of products that turn out incredibly well, as the product seals in a lot of its flavors and properties. Furthermore, it can cook 2 items simultaneously without any strange or mingled flavors. And it has a top hopper with a very simple program. You just load the products and they're processed. The operation is super simple. This is a Ferrari. To us, this is a Ferrari. It's a fantastic discovery we've made with this machine, with this brand that allows us to prepare so many things. They assist us in elevating our kitchen performance to the next level. It doesn't mix flavors. We can fry 2 separate things with various cooking settings programmed into it. We have a carousel that allows us to queue up to 4 products and simultaneously fry 2 items in the fryer. This gives us rapid service. We've learned to organize with it, to be able to cater to volumes of up to 40 or 50 customers. It's amazing, the quality fryer, and I say this with heartfelt affection. This is a notable discovery and we are overjoyed with this product.